Let's try to find the shortest way out. Anishko. Nikolka is the spider.
Go, 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 go.
Come on.
Go now. Go,
And now, Tereska. Marketka is the spider. Come on.
Come on.
No.
Come on.
Great. You can go, Nikolko. Anishka is the spider. Go, Nikki.
Yellow, go.
Be careful. And now you try, Marketko. Tereska is the spider. Come on.
Come on.
Six, perfect.
Go.
Great.
Come on.
10. Oh, Tereska is good spider. Good job. Perfect.